Okay, we continue with the next example. Given this one is piecewise function. Okay, melibatkan lebih daripada satu function, we call as a piecewise. Okay, piecewise function. So find the limit of fx when x approaches to 1 graphically. So obviously dah cakap method apa, graphical method. So awak kena tahu macam mana nak sketch a graph lah. Okay, so dalam exam kalau graphically method, graph ni tidak diberi graph ni tidak diberi, you have to sketch your graph on your own and then you find the answer lah. Okay, so macam mana? Let's see the function one by one first. Okay, so x plus 1 ni apa? Dia adalah linear function lah. Okay, for example y. Okay, let's see the general function dulu. Okay, general of a linear function. Okay, mx plus c. So now you have a y is equal to x plus 1. Maksudnya apa? Okay, kalau you tengok dekat sini. Okay, tengok dekat sini. Y, x. Okay, dia adalah pintasan y dia adalah 1. C ni adalah pintasan y, which is y-intercept lah. Okay, so m dia 1 lah kat sini. M times x, so jadi x sahaja. So means that the slope is positive. Positive, so dia akan tinggi ke kanan. So y-intercept dia pada 1, so dia akan jadi macam ni lah. Okay, so kat sini berapa? Kat sini dia adalah, okay, kat sini adalah bila y is equal to 0. Bila y is equal to 0, so x akan jadi negative 1. Okay, so you tengok, okay, ini graph untuk x plus 1 lah. Okay, ini dia. Tapi limit ni, lepas ni kita tengok dekat sini. Okay, so the second one we have a 3/2. 3/2 ni apa? 3/2 ni dia adalah straight line ya. Okay, bear in your mind, straight line dengan linear tak sama Straight line dengan linear function tak sama. Ada student yang confuse straight line dengan linear function. So linear, okay, linear dia ada x. Straight line dia tak ada x. Dia constant saja. Y is equal to 2, y is equal to negative 1/5. That is a straight line. Okay, straight line. Dia tak ada x. Okay, 3/2 where x is equal to 1. Okay, we will see later on this graph. And again, we have a linear function 2 minus x. Okay, we have a linear function 2 minus x for x greater than 1. So this one also is a linear function. So kita tulis kat sini lah. Here y is equal to 2 minus x. Rearrange. Okay. Y is equal to negative x plus 2 lah. Kalau you compare with the general functions of a linear function, we have a mx plus 2, right? So graph dia begini. Y, this one is x, kan? Okay. So dia punya, mx plus c. So pintasan y dia adalah pada 2. Tapi kita tengok dulu slope dia positif ataupun negatif. So we have a negative slope. Negative x maksudnya m dia adalah negative 1. Okay, so negative slope dia akan tinggi ke kiri. So dia ada pintasan y dia pada 2. So pintasan y dia pada 2. Okay, so sini kita panggil pintasan x. So pintasan x adalah pada y is equal to 0. Bila y is equal to 0, x adalah 2. Okay, ini function dia. Okay, tapi kita ada condition dekat sini where x less than 0, x less than 1, x greater than 1. So let's see, kita masuk kat sini lah. So ini yang saya cakap tadi, kan? Tapi kita ada restriction, we have a condition where x less than 1. So sini 1, kan? So dia less than 1. Okay, sebenarnya dia adalah anti-infinity sampai sini ya, infinity. Okay, tapi sebab kita ada condition where x less than 1, so dia lebih kecil daripada 0 dan ke bawah. Okay, maksudnya apa? X tu daripada negative infinity to 1 okay, which is 1 excluded. Maksudnya 1 tidak termasuk. Bila x is equal to 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 tidak termasuklah sebab okay, x is equal to 1 is, x is not equal to 1, okay? Alright, so next, 3 over 2. 3 over 2 when x is equal to 1. This one, when x is equal to 1, 3 over 2. Here is 3 over 2 atau point, okay? 1.5 lah, okay? Right? So ni, dia a point lah, a point, 3 over 2, satu point. Okay, which is x is equal to 1. Okay, next, we have a 2 minus x, yang ni lah 2 minus x kan. Yeah, kalau you perasan, sini lah 2 minus x, where x greater than 1. 2 minus x, kalau you tengok dia, kalau you panjangkan dia ke sini lah kan. Tapi kita nak consider bila x greater than 1 saja. So dia akan hilang lah yang belah kiri ni, so dia akan jadi macam ni saja. Okay. So, okay, kita nak cari limit when limit of fx when x approaches to 1 from left. Ini from left dia menghampiri apa? Semakin menghampiri 2. Okay, this one is a limit of fx when x approaches to 1 from right. Okay, dia semakin menghampiri 1. Okay, 1 kat sini tak nampak. Okay, so maksudnya apa? Limit of fx apa? X plus 1. Okay, when x approaches 1 from x plus 1, when x less than 1, from less than 1. Ni 1, less than 1, from left, betul? Ini left, ini 1 kan? Okay, ini 1, okay sorry. Ini 1, kan? So ini daripada kiri, ini daripada kanan, can you see? Approaches 1 from left, approaches 1 from right. Okay, kita hanya consider function sahajalah. Ni from left, so left dia menghampiri to limit of, okay, daripada kanan dia adalah function ni. So function ni dia adalah 2 minus x when x approaches 1 from right. Okay, so dia menghampiri 1. So therefore, limit of x plus 1 when x approaches 1 from left is not equal to limit of 2 minus x when x approaches to 1 from right. So therefore, limit of fx, kita pakai fx sebab apa? Dia adalah piecewise function. Okay, limit of fx when x approaches to 1 does not exist. Okay, alright, we are done on the example. So let's see another example. Okay, find given the graph of the following. Okay, so find the limit of fx when x approaches to 2 from left. Okay, mana 2? Okay, so inilah 2 kan. Limit of fx when x, ini graph ni diberi. Okay, jangan salah faham, graph ni diberi, cuma you kena evaluate the limit, okay, from the graph given. Okay, so limit of fx when x approaches to 2, this one is 2 from left. So ni from 2, this one left, this one is right. So function mana yang approaches Okay, 2 from left, this function. So, dia menghampiri 4. Okay, so dia 4. Okay, limit of fx when x approaches to 2 from left. Okay, 2 from right. Okay, 2 from right. So here lah, menghampiri 2 from right. So, dia adalah 2. Okay, so therefore limit of fx when x approaches to 2 does not exist. Sebab apa? Sebab limit kiri 4, limit kanan 2. So tak sama. So therefore limit of fx when x approaches to 2 does not exist. Okay. So next, D, limit of fx when x approaches to 4 from left. Okay. 4 kan? 4 from left. So right, left, right. So from left ni lah. So menghampiri 4 from left dia adalah 1. Limit of fx when x approaches to 4 from right. Ada tak function that approach okay from right, approaches 4 from right? Tak ada kan? So does not exist. Limit of fx when x approaches to 4 from right does not exist. Okay, so limit of fx when x approaches to 4 does not exist too. Okay, sebab kanan tak ada limit, so limit does not exist lah. Dia sebab apa? Sebab dia mesti ada limit kiri dan limit kanan tu sama, so baru limit of fx when x approaches to c exist.